Let's talk about our skin's journey. It's a story written over time, etched with laughter lines, sun-kissed memories, and the quiet wisdom of experience. Our skin is a living canvas, constantly changing and adapting. As we move through our 30s, we begin to notice subtle shifts in our skin's texture and tone. 40s, bringing with them a deeper understanding of ourselves and our skin's evolving needs. And beyond, into the decades where our skin reflects a life well lived, a testament to resilience and grace. We notice changes, especially a loss of firmness. The youthful bounce we once took for granted begins to soften. This is called sagging skin, and it's characterized by a gentle loosening of the skin's structure. And it's a natural part of life. A sign that we're aging, yes, but also a reminder that we're still here. Still vibrant, still beautiful. The main reason? What's the underlying cause of this shift in our skin's architecture? Our bodies produce less collagen and elastin, the very building blocks of youthful skin. These are the proteins that keep skin firm and bouncy, providing the scaffolding that maintains its structure. Sun exposure, with its damaging UV rays, accelerates the breakdown of collagen and elastin. Environmental factors like pollution and harsh weather also contribute to the aging process. And genetics speed up this process, playing a significant role in how our skin ages over time. The fat pads in our face also shift and diminish, losing volume and contributing to a less defined facial contour. Adding to the effect, creating subtle changes in our appearance that reflect the passage of time. It's not a reflection of your health or beauty. It doesn't diminish your worth or vitality. Just biology at work, a natural and inevitable process that we all experience. Instead of chasing youth, trying to rewind the clock to a time that's already passed, let's focus on healthy, radiant skin at any age, embracing our skin's natural evolution. Smart, gentle skincare can help us embrace these changes, supporting our skin's health and vitality. There's no magic wand, no fountain of youth, and no instant fix for aging skin. But there are ways to support our skin, to nourish it, and to help it thrive at every stage of life. Let's explore some gentle, natural ways to do just that, harnessing the power of nature to care for our skin. Ready? Are you excited to embark on this journey of self-care and skin appreciation? Let's dive in and discover the secrets to healthy, radiant skin at every age. The gentle power of herbs for our skin. With so many skincare products out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why many are turning to natural, plant-based remedies. Herbs have been used for centuries. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory agents. Antioxidants protect skin from free radicals which break down collagen and elastin. Many herbs, like witch hazel and green tea, also have astringent properties that temporarily tighten and firm skin. Using natural ingredients means fewer harsh chemicals and less irritation. Making your own treatments connects you to the process and gives you control over what goes on your skin. It's simple, honest, and often more affordable. What natural ingredients have you tried in your routine? Let's discover new ways to care for our skin, gently and effectively. Let's talk about two superstar ingredients for firmer skin: green tea and clay. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially EDCG, which helps protect collagen and fight sagging. It's also anti-inflammatory and astringent, calming redness and tightening pores for a smoother look. Clay masks, like bentonite or kaolin, draw out impurities and absorb excess oil. As clay dries, it tightens the skin and boosts circulation, giving you a healthy glow. The tightening effect provides a temporary lift and firmer appearance. Combining green tea's antioxidants with clay's deep cleansing power creates an effective treatment for youthful-looking skin. It's a simple, natural way to refresh and tone your complexion. Ready to try it? Let's make a mask. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY skincare with a recipe that's both incredibly effective and wonderfully simple: a green tea and clay firming mask. This mask is designed to give your skin a revitalizing boost, leaving it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Making your own green tea and clay mask is not only easy, but also surprisingly affordable. You can achieve professional-level results without breaking the bank, using ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. So, what exactly will you need to create this skin-loving concoction? Let's gather our ingredients. First, you'll need 1 tablespoon of bentonite or kaolin clay. These clays are fantastic for drawing out impurities and tightening pores. Next up, 2-3 tablespoons of cooled green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage and reduce inflammation. And finally, 1/2 teaspoon of honey. This is optional but highly recommended for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Honey adds a touch of sweetness and extra hydration to the mask. To start, brew a strong cup of green tea. Let it steep for a good amount of time to extract all those beneficial compounds. Then, be sure to let it cool down completely before adding it to the mask. Now, in a non-metal bowl, this is important, as metal can react with the clay. Gently mix the clay with the cooled green tea. Continue mixing until you achieve a smooth, spreadable paste. You want a consistency that's easy to apply and won't drip. If you're opting for that extra boost of moisture, now's the time to add your honey. Before applying the mask, make sure you start with a clean, dry face. This ensures that the mask can penetrate your pores effectively. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly across your face, being careful to avoid the delicate areas around your eyes and mouth. Now, relax and let the mask work its magic for 10-15 minutes. It's important not to let it dry completely, as this can cause your skin to become overly dry. Once the time is up, rinse your face gently with lukewarm water, using circular motions to help remove the mask. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. To lock in all that goodness, follow up with your favorite serum and a hydrating moisturizer. After this treatment, your skin will feel incredibly clean, noticeably smoother, and wonderfully tighter. For the best and most consistent results, incorporate this mask into your routine once a week. It's like bringing the spa experience right into the comfort of your own home. It's a simple, natural, and highly effective way to care for your skin. So go ahead, treat yourself and give your skin the revitalizing boost it truly deserves. Here's another simple, effective remedy: egg whites and honey. Egg whites are rich in proteins that form a tightening film on your skin, giving an instant lift. This effect smooths fine lines and minimizes pores for a refined texture. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into your skin to keep it hydrated and supple. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, calming irritation and promoting a clear complexion. Together, egg whites and honey create a mask that firms, hydrates, and soothes. It's a quick fix before a special event or as a regular part of your routine. Have you tried an egg white mask before? It's a classic for a reason. Simple, natural, and effective. Let's see how to make it. Making this mask is as easy as breakfast. You'll need 1 egg white and 1 teaspoon raw honey. Separate the egg white into a bowl. Whisk until frothy, then mix in the honey until smooth. Start with a clean, dry face. Apply a thin, even layer to your face and neck, avoiding eyes and lips. Relax and let the mask dry for 15-20 minutes. You'll feel it tighten as it dries. Rinse off gently with lukewarm water and pat dry. Follow with moisturizer to lock in hydration. Your skin will feel smooth, lifted, and refreshed. Use this mask whenever you want a quick, natural boost. It's gentle enough for most skin types. Enjoy your glow. We've explored natural ways to support our skin as it ages, understanding that aging is a privilege and a natural part of life. It's about nurturing our skin, not fighting time. From the antioxidant power of green tea and the purifying benefits of clay, to the nourishing properties of egg whites and the soothing touch of honey, nature offers gentle, effective tools that work in harmony with your skin's natural processes. These ingredients have been used for centuries, passed down through generations for their remarkable benefits. Make these masks a cherished part of your weekly self-care ritual, a moment to reconnect with yourself and appreciate the skin you're in. Consistency matters more than intensity. It's about building a sustainable routine that you can enjoy and maintain. Remember, true skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long-term investment in your skin's health and well-being. Don't forget the basics. These are the foundation of any good skincare routine. Always cleanse to remove impurities, moisturize to hydrate and nourish, and always, without exception, wear sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. These herbal masks are wonderful extras, providing a little boost of confidence and radiance whenever you need it. Be kind to yourself and your reflection. Treat yourself with the same love and compassion you would offer a dear friend. Every line tells a story, a testament to a life well lived, filled with laughter, experiences, and wisdom. So let's celebrate the beauty of our age, embracing the unique qualities that make us who we are. The ultimate goal is healthy, radiant skin, reflecting your inner vitality and well-being, not some unattainable standard of perfection. Your skin's journey is unique, a personal narrative that unfolds with each passing year. Embrace it with care, understanding, and a gentle touch. If you found this guide helpful and informative, please support our channel by subscribing. giving us a like, or leaving a comment below. Your engagement helps us create more content you'll love. What are your favorite skincare rituals? Share your tips and tricks with our community. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember to take care of yourself and your beautiful skin, inside and out.